The material can be applied manually with a brush. To make the most complete impression and opinion on this material, its advantages and disadvantages should be called. The benefits include comparative cheapness. The price of oil paint is lower compared to acrylic, epoxy, organosilicon, and powder formulations. Universality. The composition can be applied to a variety of surfaces: metal, wood, stone, concrete, plaster, and others. Good hiding power. The consumption of oil paint per 1 square meter for metal is 100 to 140 grams/m2, which is on average higher than that of many other paints. Moisture resistance. The film does not pass moisture, which makes it a good protection of materials from corrosion and dampness. Possibility of repeated application without removing the previous layer of oil paint. Strength. The film is strong enough and resists wear and mechanical stress. Stability. The material is not afraid of processing with detergents and household chemicals that do not contain fractions of oil and solvents. Protection against electrochemical corrosion. The addition of zinc powder protects steel and iron from corrosion. For example, zinc conductive paint. The material can be used on different surfaces. If we talk about the shortcomings of the coating, then we should list these of them: toxicity, low elasticity, fragility, loss of color over time, fear of high temperatures. To cover heated surfaces, it is better to use fire-retardant paints for metal polystyrene. The need for complex surface preparation and a thorough primer. See also the article Primer for Putty. Features. Limited selection of shades. Due to its high toxicity, the material is applied using personal protective equipment. Important. Modern industry produces many paints, the characteristics of which have gone far ahead, but oil paints continue to be in high demand and popularity due to their low cost and versatility.